Hello, dear friends. How are you? Hope you all be fine. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today's video is about a Shopify app review. First of all, you have to open your Play Store app. Then you have to tap on the search bar and you have to search Shopify e-commerce store or e-commerce business. As you can see, we have searched it and then you have to download it. So friends, I have downloaded it in my phone and I open it now simply. As you can see, an interface has come, and here you can create your online store, grow your audience, manage from anywhere. So I click on get started instead of login because I have no account. Now I click on get started, and here I have to select I am just starting because I am new here. I click on the next button, and here you can see what you want to sell: an online store, social media, online marketplace, in person, or how can you want to sell it. So here I am not sure yet, so I select it. Yeah, do you want to sell products through drop shipping? I am not sure. If you want to click on yes, then you can. So here I click on the next button. As you can see, now it requires your email or any other your account, Facebook account or Google account. You can create your Shopify ID by clicking your email. You can give your email, also the password. You can also continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, or continue with Google account. So I simply click on the continue with email. So I simply click on continue with email, and now I am going to give my email address as well as the password. The password should be at least more than 8 characters, and you should give numbers as well as alphabets and other special letters to make your password strong. As you can see, now my password is good, but if I give the special letter, the special character, so it becomes strong. Now I click on create Shopify ID. So here my ID will be created. Now here in interface wants my store name, so I simply give a name of simply clothes. The name of my store is clothes. Okay, as you can see, clothes. I click on the next button, and now my ID is ready. It's quite easy process, guys. You can make your ID on Shopify. Now I click on the login because I have Shopify ID. So here, as you can see, I simply continued with my email address, and now my Shopify store is opened. You have to select your country. Here I selected Pakistan, but if you are in another country, then you can select another country. Now I click on enter my store, and it's loading to enter to my store. Okay, guys, you can see I have entered to my store, and you can see the home interface. Now I'm going to set up to sell. I have to do 4 tasks. First, add your first product name, customize your items, and other so here, as you can see, this is the home page of Shopify e-commerce business app. If you want to send a verification email to your email, then you have to click on send verification email. Now I have clicked on orders. Here you can create your order, so I click on create order if you want to create some orders. Here you can see select product, any product you want to order, add customize items, and other options. Now I click on products. Here you can add your products to your store. Here you can give the title of your product as well as description. So I gave for example, I gave sherwani in clothes. Okay, so sherwani is the title of my product, and now I will provide descriptions and also photos, and here as you can see inventory, you can increase it by 1 2 3 or decrease it. Okay, so here I discarded it. Now you can see we have opened our store, and here you can see all the options. This was some information about Shopify app. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.